This battery on a full charge should comfortably do up to a full tennis court size garden. But what I love about this battery is multi-use. Now, an ideal lawnmower for the smaller suburban garden is the RMA 235. It's a 13-inch, which is 33 centimetre size. Very, very, very light. Ideal for carrying purposes, up and down steps, or going from front garden to back garden. Single height adjuster here on the side, up and down. Once again, Stihl's fantastic little system of an indicator of when the grass box is empty and where the grass box is full. And again, emptying purposes, you can empty out like so. Closing like that. Now your compact battery, I'll show it to you here. Lift up, press out. This battery on a full charge should comfortably do up to a full tennis court size garden. But what I love about this battery is multi-use. Hedge trimmer, very simple. Slot it in. How simple is that? Remove simply. We now have our trimmer. Just move from one tool to the other tool, like so. And your little lawnmower, in she goes. Press your button, pull your lever. Grand and quiet, not going to disturb anyone. Once again, no emissions. Ideal lawnmower for today's new green world. I can't speak more highly about these products. For more information on this range of products, go to dfg.ie. For all your queries and questions, we're there to help.